Hello everyone, welcome to the Truck Driver Guy. Please like this video, subscribe, share and comment. I will tell you guys what to do if you have a freightliner and you have this kind of warning on your truck and how to fix it. So basically what you do, if your truck shut off, so if your truck shut down and if it's not working anymore, so you're gonna have to start your truck again. Oh wow, it's not starting, really? Wow, let's try. Wow. Let's try. Usually it starts, but I mean, I really hope it's gonna start. Oh man. So this is a DEF problem. This is a DEF problem, and this Freightliners, it's always a DEF problem. So let's try to start the truck. Okay, things got it started. So then what you need to do, you need to find this button and press it here. And when you press it there, what's gonna happen, just hold it, and then you will see your RPMs goes up. And when it's up like this, you let it go. So then what you're gonna need to do, just let it go for, let it run for like probably like 40 minutes or so. And after that, what's gonna happen is that red thingy gonna disappear. So yeah guys, again, these Freightliners, they have a lot of problems with DEF. So again guys, it is what it is, and you need to do it. You need to do it in order for you to restart it. Otherwise it will not start. And sometimes when the truck doing it by itself, it's not enough. You also need to manually do it. Sometimes I do it twice a day. I know it's kind of like it's kind of insane, but it is what it is, guys. Yeah, sometimes I do it twice a day. And well guys, again, you go here and you press this button right here, this one right here. Yeah, and then you wait for the RPMs to go up, and this is how you guys can fix it. Even though, again guys, even if your truck will do it automatically, sometimes you need additional regeneration for the truck. Okay guys, keep on trucking. Freightliner for you, and please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, feel free to comment. Thanks again, and God bless you, and keep on trucking. Be safe out there.